Times Tables Rockstars is a fun rock and roll way to help your children learn their times tables. Through practice, whether they're using our website or our app, they will enjoy securing their multiplication tables and becoming Times Tables Rockstars. Knowing the times tables and their associated division facts supports mathematical learning and understanding, and those children who have a strong grasp of them tend to be more self-assured when learning new concepts in lessons. To get started, they can log on to the website play.ttrockstars.com, or our app can be downloaded from your app store. Your child will have been given their unique login details from school. If you're wondering how often your child needs to play, we recommend a little and often approach. 3 minutes practice a day, 4 to 5 times a week is a good target. There are 5 single-player games for students to enjoy. Some, like jamming, let them choose the tables to practice at their own pace with no pressure. Others, like Garage, use a smart algorithm to focus on the facts they need to work on most. The variety keeps things fun and engaging, and whatever they play, they'll be building confidence every step of the way. In stats, you'll see their heat map. The greener a fact, the faster they can recall it. This is a great way to work out which facts you can work on together. If your child gets all their answers in under 4 seconds, their teacher can reward them with a special Gone Green certificate to celebrate their achievement. Just below the heat map, you can view how many minutes they've played. Again, little and often is the approach we recommend. All the multiplication games have been designed from the ground up with children's safety in mind. There's no chat function, anonymous rock names are used, and children also have the choice to totally hide themselves during multiplayer games. By clicking their avatar, your child can customize TTRS to suit them. Settings is where they can change colors, themes, and a host of other options to suit their needs. If you're looking to learn more about TTRS, you can head to our parents page, where you can find useful downloads, information on different game modes, and more. The link is on screen and in the description. Another video you may find useful to inspire and motivate your rock star is Why Should You Learn Times Tables? It's great to watch together right at the start of their times table journey. You can find that video also linked in the description. That's it. There's nothing else that you need to do. Have fun.